Hi guys, Dirk. Well, here's another one of our 150 bar petrol pressure washers. This is a 500 liter low profile skid, obviously petrol driven motor, comes obviously with its unloader, inline filter. The standard one comes with 10 meter hose, lance and 4 nozzles, but this client took some extra toys. Obviously here's the standard 4 nozzles, it just clips in front of your nozzle. This is the most important thing, guys. This is our inline pressure gauge. So you can regulate your pressure on your unit. So you can basically regulate with your unloader return, you can regulate your pressure from 0 bar up to 150 bar. Then the client took the turbo nozzle. This is this is a pulsating nozzle, and he took the bottle foamer. So it's quite easy. You just plug your turbo nozzle on your lance. Let's show you how it works. So all the nozzles just clip in. Now you've got your turbo nozzle in, and when you want to change it up to your bottle foamer, you just plug it out and you plug in your bottle foamer. So then you can put your soap there. Guys, this thing sprays like shaving foam. And then obviously the client took the pump cover. This is a ripstop proper pump cover that goes over the engine so there doesn't come any dust and water and stuff into the engine. Well, guys, I think this came out quite nice. Tell us what you think.